Given below are some best premium segment smartphones. Now, let's talk about it. Now, the first and the best smartphone in this category is OnePlus 6. Talking to its specification, OnePlus 6 has 20 plus 60 megapixel dual rear camera with OIS. It also has 60 fps super slow motion. It has 6.28-inch Full HD plus optical AMOLED 19:9 display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and it's powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. The 64GB variant costs 34,999 and 128GB variant costs 39,999. In this smartphone, you get everything at a better price. It will give you the real speed that you need. The second best smartphone under this segment is OPPO Find X. Now let's talk about its specifications in details. This smartphone comes with 6.4-inch AMOLED display and is powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. This smartphone has 16 plus 20 megapixel dual rear camera with f2.0 plus f2.0 aperture and has 25 megapixel front facing camera. This phone has 3730 mAh lithium-ion battery. The unique feature of this phone is its motorized pop-up camera. This phone also has 3D facial recognition, which is the best method to protect your phone. There is only 256GB variant available, which costs 59,900 rupees. Some may have worried that its motorized camera may be damaged, but you don't have to worry because the company has tested it a lot of times. The next best smartphone under this segment is Galaxy S9 Plus. It comes with Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has 12 plus 12 megapixel dual rear camera. The lens chooses f1.5 aperture for low light and f2.4 aperture during bright light. It has 8 megapixel front facing camera, and the phone comes with 960 fps super slow motion. The 64GB variant costs 64,900 rupees and 128GB variant costs 68,900 rupees. This phone is the best in this category. The next best premium segment smartphone is iPhone 8 Plus. It comes with 5.5-inch Retina HD display. It is powered by A11 Bionic chip and has 12 plus 12 megapixel dual rear camera with f1.8 and 2.8 aperture. The first rear camera is a wide angle and the second one is a telephoto camera. The 64GB variant costs 74,000 and 256GB variant costs 84,000 rupees. If you have extended budget, you can buy iPhone 10. It's also a very good choice. It comes with 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display. It has 12 plus 12 megapixel dual rear camera. The first rear camera is wide angle with f1.8 aperture and the second rear camera is a telephoto camera with 2.4 aperture. The front facing camera is a 7 megapixel camera and the phone has lithium-ion battery. It is powered by A11 Bionic chip. The 64GB variant costs 89,000 and 256GB variant costs 1,07,000 if you buy in Flipkart. The uniqueness of this phone is it is the first smartphone to come with 3D facial recognition. To buy any one of these smartphones, links are given in description. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button.